We're at Overstrand and at the end of the Cromer Ridge, and the ice sheet was coming from the North Sea out to my left and moving inland this way. And the chalk, lumps of chalk you can see at a high angle in the cliff behind me, were lumps of chalk that were ground off the chalk bedrock and thrust over each other. So as the ice came along, the chalk was pushed up and thrust over, and the tip of it was bent like this to produce these anticlinal thrust tip faults things.
Further along the beach to my right, you can see some beautiful chevron folding representing distributed deformation in the soft sediments in response to the compression as the ice sheet advanced and drove all of the sediments in front of it.